Hi, I'm Kamran Agaev. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you the way of corrupting a data block in both Windows and Linux operating systems, and recover it using RMAN's block recover command. Please don't try to test it on your production database. I don't think that you will ever need to corrupt a data block manually, but if you want to test block recover command, then you need to have some corrupted data blocks and data files. So here I am going to corrupt the data block manually in order to test the block recovery feature of RMAN. Let's start with Linux operating system. I've installed CentOS 5 and Oracle 10G Release 2 on a VMware. For this scenario, I'll create a new user, a table, and insert one row. To not grant different privileges separately, I'll grant a DBA role to the user. Let's create the user with DBA role in one command. Now connect with this user and create a table. Now insert one row and commit the transaction. Now connect to the RMAN and take backup of the database. We'll use this backup to perform block media recovery. Now connect to the SQL Plus and find the data block number where the table's data is stored. It comes next to the header block of the table. To get it, use DBA segments view. The header block of this segment is 59. We are going to corrupt the next data block, which is 60. Use both DBA segments and VDollar data file views to get the file name. Here we got the file name. The table is stored at users01 dbf file. Now let's corrupt the data block of this data file. Copy the file name, paste it, bytes equals conversion equals one, C equals the block number that's next to the header block, which is 60. Open EO and write any text to corrupt the data file. That's it. Okay, we've successfully corrupted the data file. Now connect to the SQL Plus, flush the database buffer cache and query the table. The data file is corrupted. Now we don't need to restore and recover the whole database. We'll just connect to RMAN and perform block media recovery. The recovery has finished. Now let's check the table again. Connect to SQL Plus and query the table. As you see, the corrupted data blocks has been recovered using RMAN backups and block recovery feature. In case you want to test it on Windows operating system, you need to use any hexadecimal editor to corrupt the data block of a data file. As a hexadecimal editor, I use UltraEdit. Let's test it. For this, create a user and a table with one row. Now connect with that user, create a table, and commit a transaction. Before corrupting the data block, make sure you have taken RMAN backup of the database. Let's switch to RMAN. And take backup of the database. Now open the data file that you want to corrupt with hexadecimal editor. Now switch to the normal view by pressing Ctrl H and search for the string corruption test. There it is. Now switch to the hexadecimal view and change some characters of the text. Save the file and exit. Now log into the SQL Plus, flush the database buffer cache and query the table. As you see, we have corrupted the data block. The recovery process is the same as in the previous example. Now let's recover this corrupted data block using RMAN block recovery command. The corrupted data block number is 1214 and the corrupted data file number is 4. The recovery has finished. Now switch to the SQL Plus and query the table. As you see, the block recover command recovered only specific corrupted data block. Thank you and see you in the next tutorials.